Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be doing fidget trading with my brother. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, I'm gonna trade my puzzle ball. Trading puzzle ball going once, going twice, going 3 times. Want to offer, Jacqueline? What's your offer? Is this?
Yeah.
Okay. So I just got this puppet for my puzzle ball. And I really like it. I just scanned him. Now he wants it back. So I'm just gonna give him my snake. In the squishy. Okay. Jacqueline, want to trade something?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you want to trade?
No.
No, we have it. No. What do you want to trade out of your collection?
Keep it.
You want to zip it or something?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll offer. I'll offer this tangle. Is the tangle good?
Yeah.
Do I need to add?
Yeah.
I'll add this and this. Is that good?
Yeah.
Do I need to add?
All your fidgets.
Add all my fidgets?
Yeah.
Is that good?
I'm not mine. It's not mine. You're not mine.
I want the zippy bracelet for D.
Deep.
Give me zippy bracelet now. Yay.
It's deep inside.
So, yeah. Bye.